Best Smart Meat for Thermometers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at the best smart meat for thermometers to elevate your everyday cooking game. Whether you are grilling outside, smoking a brisket, or roasting in the oven, achieving the perfect internal temperature is the ultimate secret to mouth-watering results every single time. Let us dive right into our top picks.
Product number 1. Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer Digital Instant Read Food Thermometer for Cooking and Grilling. Professional Kitchen Father's Day gift for dad, men, him, husband. When it comes to achieving the perfect sear and internal temperature for your steaks and burgers, precision is absolutely essential. This incredibly fast and accurate instant read device ensures you will never overcook or undercook a meal again. Designed with a clear, bright backlight, it is exceptionally easy to read even during those late-evening backyard barbecues. It boasts a rugged, waterproof construction, meaning you can easily wash it under running water without a single worry. The thoughtfully designed probe folds away neatly for compact and safe storage in your kitchen drawer. Whether you're a professional chef or a weekend grilling enthusiast, this tool simplifies the entire cooking process. It also serves as a fantastic gift for anyone who loves spending time around the grill.
Product number 2. Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. 10x Enhanced Sub-1G Signal and Stability. Standalone display base. Certified accuracy plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Wi-Fi unlimited range for barbecue, oven, smoker, grill. Taking your smoking and grilling experience to an entirely new level, this wireless marvel offers incredible connectivity and unmatched stability. With its highly enhanced signal technology, you can comfortably walk away from the grill and still monitor your food perfectly. The standalone display base provides all the crucial information at a glance, so you do not even need to constantly check your smartphone. Boasting an extremely precise, certified accuracy, you can trust every single reading it gives you. The unlimited range capability allows you to mingle with your guests, prepare side dishes indoors, or simply relax while your meats slow cook to absolute perfection. Product number 3. TempPro Wireless Meat Thermometer Digital for Grilling and Smoking. 2Pro Bluetooth Meat Thermometer for cooking turkey, fish, beef. Rechargeable smoker accessories for BBQ oven, gift for dad. For those who love to monitor multiple pieces of meat simultaneously, this dual probe system is an absolute game changer. It allows you to keep a close eye on 2 different dishes or measure both the meat and the ambient temperature of your smoker at the exact same time. The reliable Bluetooth connection ensures you get real-time alerts straight to your device, preventing any culinary disasters. One of the most convenient features is its rechargeable battery, saving you from the constant need to buy and replace disposable batteries. Whether you're roasting a large turkey for the holidays, perfectly smoking a delicate fish, or searing a thick cut of beef, this tool provides the accuracy you desperately need. Product number 4. Govee Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. Wireless meat thermometer for smoker, oven, digital grill thermometer with 2 probes. Timer mode, smart LCD backlight BBQ thermometer for cooking turkey, fish, beef. Combining smart technology with everyday practicality, this versatile device is designed to make your time in the kitchen or at the grill completely effortless. The built-in timer mode is incredibly handy, alerting you the moment your food reaches the desired temperature or when a specific cooking phase is complete. Equipped with a smart LCD backlight, the display is always crisp and clear no matter the lighting conditions around you. Using the dedicated smartphone application, you can easily track temperature graphs, set custom alerts, and explore various preset cooking levels for different types of meat. The inclusion of 2 highly sensitive probes means you have the flexibility to monitor a large roast and a smaller cut simultaneously without any cross-contamination. Product number 5. Thermomaven Wireless Bluetooth Smart Meat Thermometer, Standalone Base, Smart Wi-Fi Thermometer with Sub-1G, 6 sensors, NIST Certified Accuracy, 2 probes for barbecue, grill, oven, smoker, rotisserie. For the ultimate control freak in the kitchen, this premium multi-sensor device offers a level of precision that is simply unparalleled. Each probe is equipped with multiple sensors, ensuring that you find the exact core temperature of your meat while also monitoring the ambient heat surrounding it.
The combination of both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity ensures that you have a constant, unbroken connection to your cooking process, regardless of where you are in the house. It comes with a remarkably sturdy standalone base that functions as both a charger and a secondary display. The incredibly high certified accuracy guarantees that your expensive cuts of meat are treated with the utmost respect.
Thank you so much for tuning in today. We hope this guide on the best smart meat thermometers helps you find the perfect tool for your kitchen. Happy cooking and see you next time.